Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at Mount Druitt. We're going to Waitangi because it's Waitangi Day. It got postponed before because it was really raining. The weather doesn't look really all that good because there's an overcast there. But for now, gotta get out there and support and have a good feed. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go. What are we waiting for? Oh, yeah. Here's my driver.
Hello.
Yeah. Can't believe he said hello without me saying hello. Yeah. I would pay forward. Come on, right. So far, there's not that many people here. Anyway, someone's generator. But there goes the market, guys. Oh, no, it's not even a market. Oh, my gosh. It's Waitangi Day. Excuse me, guys. Sorry, Waitangi Day, people. It's here at the Mount Druitt Pools. Oh, it's already started. So what time is it? Ooh, they're doing a haka. Okay. It's still early, guys, so 25 to. Just have to get. They got the outside there. Activity lights. Oh, that's the lady that I see her at the Blacktown Market. So she's always at the Blacktown Market and all the other events that happen. So this one's $20 suppers. So come down. Hello. So what did you get?
Mussel and chips.
Mussel fritters.
I forgot to take that sign down.
Oh.
They're not ready yet. They must
Oh.
Oh, it's gone. Okay.
Just put a tissue over it.
hold them.
Okay, you gotta go.
No, it's only.
Okay, we're gonna try it out.
Want me lemon on it?
I thought you were gonna pass me a mussel. Rude.
Yeah.
Rude. Okay. Damn, massive.
A lemon, yeah.
Let's go. Oh, did you? I won. Okay, I'll get one. I hope this is an orange one. I like the orange one. But it just came out of the oil, so if we bite it now, we're going to get burnt. Oh, I have dripping too. My job. Oh, that's better. Have a bite, right? Oh, yeah. It's an orange one. Look. It's nice too. It's nice. Hey, get out, Fly. Yeah, the fry fish is nice too.
You're hungry, really?
I think so. Nice fat mussels too. Oh, they are. Nice better. Yeah. That's up to mine. Did you get the dry silver yet? Okay. Hold that, please. No. Hold the bottom one. Ay, ay, ay. No, communication. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yum. Look.
Can you put anything already?
Yeah, the mayonnaise up there. Look at that garden nut, guys. Mussel. Oh, no, it doesn't oysters. This mukbang.
Your husband didn't have a kite this morning.
But no one wants to really hear that, you know. Someone's probably gagging right now and just hearing that. It's really nice to batter. Hey, you know how you ask if it's not salted, but it's really flavored nice. Oh, guys, it's not a orange one. This one. That's what. This is nice. Sure is. Oh, my poor husband's still doing his mukbang. On his face, lads, yeah. Guys, I told everyone on Facebook that I don't have any money. Excuse me. Yeah. Where is it?
So what's it anymore?
There. Because it's strictly here.
Yeah, go get it.
Yeah. That's what you call pickpocket. I'm gonna go get my Mary bread. I do what I do. you want a bread, please?
You don't want to try smoked fish?
Oh, I had smoked fish yesterday, but all right.
That ain't.
Mm. Oh, very nice. You made that yourself? Oh, yeah. Thank you.
And also there as well.
Okay. Thank you very much. Okay, I'm gonna get a supper. Hi. Can I have a $20 supper, please?
One supper, please. And what kind of drink would you like?
Oh, it comes with a drink too. Okay, I'll have the lemonade,
Lemonade.
please.
Lemonade.
Sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you. Yeah, you too. I hope you guys, sell all your food. Ooh, look at that. You get a potato salad, some soy sausage, KFC looking chicken. Man, if they made it themselves, that looks like KFC. And a piece of pork chop. Yum, that's good.
Mr. 7 Davis.
How do you know that?
Oh,
It
LMS.
can't be because they don't go out selling their stuff on Saturday.
Yeah, I know.
Can I have one honey, please?
Honey.
Yes.
$20.
Okay, thank you very much.
See you later.
Bye-bye.
Yeah.
20, and it comes with water, fried bread.
I said it, I meant it, I said we ain't over. I said it, I meant it, I said y'all, it's unconditional love, baby, yeah, it's unconditional love, baby, yeah, you heard it. I'm a psychopath, I don't care, times for I go mad, right when I go bad, I know
Thank you.
that, I chose bad, baby, there was a trauma, I'm borderline the same, but I'm right above the border, I ain't mad at ya, for putting it back to life, and stepping up on the reckless, sentiments only hype, I'm really a love and craze, my heart could be in place, I'm looking out in your face, we can just find a way, in this situation, with facing the basic, so long, actually, you wanna do this in the house, asking, oh, look again, I relapse, I thought I said it was oh, we no, we ain't going no oh, we ain't going to refuse oh, we ain't use it, we ain't over, I said it, I meant it, I said we ain't over, I said it, I meant it, I said, y'all, it's unconditional love, baby, yeah, it's unconditional love, baby, let's go, I'm gonna get bored with you, singing the glory with you, trying to get over with you, we ain't over, you really been born with me, you really been born to see, y'all really been born to see that we ain't over, a little bit low, a little bit slow, a little bit sober, we ain't over, I can't believe that you want it, but do you really want it, oh, we ain't over, you gotta lie, I see you feeling love, we ain't over, you gotta lie, the vibe make you feel alive, we ain't over, I said it, I meant it, I said we ain't over, I said it, I meant it, I said y'all, it's unconditional love, baby, yeah, it's unconditional love, baby, let's go.
Hi, can I have one honey and 2 donuts, please? Oh, okay, I'll grab that one. Better than one than none.
Just, there will be some more. You're welcome to have it, but they knock a bit of the jam off it. You don't have it?
I just have the honey then.
No, you can have that one, but I won't charge you because they knock the jam off it. I just didn't want to pay for it, that's all.
The jam on. That's the best part now.
There'll be some more here soon. I'm just going to get more.
I'll still pay for it.
It's fine.
I'll still pay for it.
Oh, give me a dollar.
Okay. And then for my honey.
Oh, you having a honey?
Yes. Still edible.
$5. I owe you $5.
Thank you.
No, I owe her $1.
No. So Dan take my foot, but still take mine. Oi, oi. How much the auto, please? How much are they? $5?
Pardon?
How much the auto?
$5 for the small bottles.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's what I want.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
Yeah, thank you. I will.
I bought them at
Yeah, for the females are 30, sister, and 50 for the jumpers, eh?
What size do you go up to?
Whatever size you want, sister.
Can I have 2 extra large?
These two.
Oh,
For
no.
a watch any day and one for like a beautiful day.
No, I just want this one. Sorry. I just want the colours of this one.
I haven't got no beach for it.
Yeah, that's all right. I'll swing it over my shoulders. Okay, thanks.
Just come for the blade pro for you. Blade. For the boy. Blade.
Cut it good back. Okay.
Give me a cut here.
Okay. Oh, yeah. Okay. Yes. Amen. Thank you very much. Thank you. You too. Okay, guys. Got my knife.
Hello, would you like a person?
No, it's alright. I'm just here to buy it. Look who's here, look who's here.
Just right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Have a good one.
You enjoying yourself today?
So far, I'm going around buying one thing for
Ah, very good. Thank you so
just to
much.
be on the fair side. Thank you very much. Yeah, you too. Hope you sell everything.
Bag or you okay?
Oh, we got a bag? Oh, thank you so much.
Easy
Then
to
I can
carry,
put
don't
my
you?
other food in it.
I watch your YouTube channel.
Oh, do you?
Yeah,
Oh,
very good.
thank you.
When I'm busy at work, I watch your channel.
Obviously not busy enough.
Thank you very much.
Have a good day.
Keep on watching Pasai Pua. Hi. You got any bola?
Yep.
Yeah, can I have a bola, please, and the battered mussels and chips?
Yep.
Thank you.
And so,
I don't want freedom. Buttery.
Okay, thank you. But here's my. I got me a boil up and battered mussels.
Let's get fried bread.
Their one, Happy's one is like donut, like a, but their one's nice. Looks nice. And then they got the butter. What'd you get? You ended up getting it, eh? Yeah, they put it in pineapple. Bye bye.